Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And in today's video, we're gonna take a look at this brand new planner. Now, usually I create digital planners, but this time I've created a physical planner and I cannot wait to go through it with you. Now, this is a 2026 12-month planner. This is a Christian planner. It has verses within each month that you can enjoy. It has very uplifting scripture for you to read, and it has plenty of things, as you can see on the what's inside page. You can pause it to read it for yourself to see what's included in this planner. Plus, I have a very special message that I've left for you so you can read it to see, the reasons why I created this planner and that it comes from the heart. This planner includes word of the year and a verse of the year, as I always do, even in my digital planners, and a prayer board. It also includes a year at a glance page where you can record the important dates that you have, important things that you want to record, and things that you want to highlight. You can do that here in this section. I'm going to give you a close-up look so you can see it for yourself. And as you can see, this planner comes with gold binding, which I love. The gold is so like rustic and just real gold vibes. And you can open up the planner flat. You can open it up to one side, which is what I really like about having these types of planners. Also, as you can see, before each month you have a priority, simple joys, looking ahead, and this month, as well as a notes page right before you get into your monthly page. On the side, you have two sections where you can write notes, appointment dates, and of course you have all the dates, all the boxes there, all the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday, and your scripture, just as I promised. And as you can see, as we turn the next page, we have our weekly view, and you can see the dates match perfectly. I've even added the months, the month of December before, the dates before, so that you have those days as well for the weekly. So for the weekly, I decided to create bullet points. That way it's easy for you to check off what you've already done for that day, rather than just having the lines only. In the first section before the Monday, you do have lines to write little notes that you need to know for the week. So just to keep you guys organized. So the next page of the weekly has tasks, your trackers for Monday through Sunday. You have your weekly affirmation, focus, gratitude, and of course, your meal planner. So from Monday to Sunday, you can plan what you're having for lunch, dinner, breakfast, snacks. This is great for busy moms, people who are trying to get healthy, just keep on track of what they're eating. And I think it's going to be super, super helpful for you. Another thing that I've added for the month is a monthly finances page. You do get to organize your income, expenses, budget, savings, total expenses, your total income, and any debt you may have. This will be very helpful to you to organize your finances this coming 2026. And also, if you have any other things that you want to do, you have the room to do that in this planner. So like I said before, each month has the priority, simple joys, looking ahead, and for this month, what you want to do. So each of the months, like I said, has a different verse, and feel free to decorate this with any sort of markers, Sharpies. I think I'll show you guys later on the kind of markers that I use. Because the paper is so thick and such great quality, it does not bleed through. At the end of the planner, at the back of the planner, we have a mood tracker from January to December and from the 1st to the 31st. So you have plenty of room to color in your emotions, whether it's happy, joyful, grateful, sad, tired, and throughout the year you can see how your emotions have fluctuated. And I think this is a really nice way to track how you're feeling. The other thing that I have included is a bill tracker, which is amazing for people who sometimes forget what bills they've paid, or if they want to keep track of how much without having to go online, search in the email, search on the app, or whatever. It'll be right in your planner right there. So you can even add a couple more, but I did add a few of them for you. The next pages are your goals page. So you have 2026 goals. You can add 4 different goals. You have your goal at the top, and then you have your action steps, your motivation, your ideas, and then the results at the bottom. So whether you accomplished it or not. And the next page is very, very special. It's Dear Future Me. So whatever you're hoping for, whatever you're praying for in the future, you can write that down right here in this planner. I've also included a few more notes pages just in case you like to write, to doodle, to add a few things that you want to remember. You can add that in the back of this planner. So that's pretty much a full flip through of this gorgeous Write the Vision, Make It Plain planner. It is my 2026 baby, and I hope you enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.